We are heading to Oregon to go look at Nike's cool stuff. We're almost late for our flight, so we have to.
Our fright. It was frightening.
Yeah, it was. It said gummy bear in here.
Did you bring a rain jacket?
I asked you if it was going to rain, and you said no.
What? This is Portland. It always rains. You should always have a rain jacket.
I asked you.
This is true. I said it wasn't going to rain. It might rain a little bit. All right, let's go get an Uber and get to Nike headquarters and check out these shoes. This guy playing music. We made it, and it's much better weather than when we were here last time. What? Don't fall? Okay, look how cool this place is. This is it. Nike headquarters.
Whoa.
Dude, don't push me.
Oh,
You almost pushed me in there.
That was actually like really
Oh, don't do that. Yeah, I almost actually did. Touch it. Okay, we're gonna go find some of our friends that are gonna help us get us where we need to go, and then hopefully go check out the Nike cafeteria, which is so good. We're filming in like 2 hours. This is gonna be amazing. And they just have random bikes everywhere. There is no finish line, just open it. Look at this. This is in the ground, just right here at Nike. Turns out this is a time capsule. They closed this thing up in what, 1992, and then they opened it back in 2012. So one of the things that was really interesting was Andre Agassi's visor with the Nike swoosh on it. It was the first piece of clothing that they'd ever put Nike's logo without the words Nike. Just a swoosh on a piece of clothing. They're like, I think we're big enough to be able to put this on here without the word Nike. And then turns out, if you see the swoosh now, everything, you know what it is. There's the place, Bo Jackson Sports and Wellness. Let's go check this place out, Lincoln. This is the coolest room. All Bo Jackson memorabilia right here. This guy was the man. You may have seen some of this in our What's Inside Nike headquarters video. Oh my gosh. You come and look outside, and it's just full of kids playing sports out there.
No, Dad, that entire field is made out of recycled shoes, remember?
Yes, I do remember that. And now there's kids playing soccer. I totally remember these cross trainers of Nike Air of Bo Jackson. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a live stream of Facebook and show people this Bo Jackson area. If you're not following us on Facebook, you can go check us out and see some of our live streams. We're gonna start doing it probably twice a week, I'm thinking. Okay, we're heading to the Bo Jackson basketball court. It's upstairs. Okay, so we have all the shoes in a couple of boxes. Boxes over here. There they are. That is where all the shoes are, but for now, we're just gonna watch Lincoln miss. Vlogging shot. That's how we do it, Lincoln. One shot 3-point contest? Yeah. All right, I got it. This is what it looks like at the Bo Jackson basketball facility when it's all yours. Okay, here goes Lincoln. Oh, so close. Lincoln just gets to play ball. Like, we're gonna get some shoes out and make a video, but Lincoln just wants to play basketball. Lincoln, we should get one of these in our house. All right. Nice. This is it, guys. You're getting behind the scenes right now. These are the KDs 1 through 5. Every version of 1 through 5 and 4 different colors of each one. And this is the 6 through 10s. One thing I think is really interesting that speaks to the innovation of these shoes and technology over the last 10 years. This 1 through 5 box is significantly heavier than the 6 through 10. The KD 9s and KD 10s, I'm pretty sure those are the first two that use the Flyknit technology, which is like a sock, but it's tight in the right places. So Kevin was like adamant that he had to have that in his shoes, and they made it happen somehow. Here's what Flyknit actually means. Like, here's a shoe the way it used to be. These are all the moving parts that come with it, everything. This is Flyknit. This is all the moving parts. It's all in one piece. Look at that. See the difference? We're gonna drag these things out and get everything set up. Nobody gets to see these. This is the KD1, I think. Yep. Oh, we can't touch these shoes unless we have some special gloves on. How are we doing this? I don't know. This is amazing.
They're really, 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 really
That's a lot of reallys. It really is. Okay, I hope that time lapse was cool. This is they're all out. Lincoln, thoughts?
I like this one. I like this one.
All right, I'm upstairs. I want to see if I can get a shot from above. I should have brought the stinking drone. That would have been such a cool shot from directly above the Nike logo looking down, but oh well. Yes!
Oh!
Have you ever seen your shoe cut up like that?
Never. That's why I'm just staring at it, man.
We have to leave. We have a flight in just over an hour. And with traffic, we're pretty far away, so hopefully we can make it. We don't have to check bags or anything. But guys, thank you for your help. Lincoln, wrong way. You're coming with me. Okay, see you guys. Thank you. Okay, we gotta leave the Bo Jackson place. Let's go. I wish we could just grab one of these bikes and go. Gotta go through the Jordan shoe area. Jordans, all the Jordans. If we had more time, if only we had more time. KD's will have to do it for today. Oh, wait. Do we have time for this? Jordan, there he is. How is it so perfectly coming out? It's like the perfect stream of water. Goodbye, Nike. Goodbye. I don't know if we're gonna make this flight. Honestly, I don't think we will. An hour away and we're in Beaverton, almost during rush hour. Here comes our car. Does that car look fast? Not looking good, Lincoln. Here's the status. There's pretty much no way we're gonna make this flight. I just found a Delta flight that leaves a few hours later. Was it worth it to get you guys the shot of all of the shoes from Katie's library? I hope so.
Totally was.
You think
I
it
love
was?
Nike.
You loved it? It was an expensive little intro. I will say that. How you feeling, bud? So tired? We made it. We're here. Took us almost an hour and a half to get to the airport from Nike headquarters. I almost fell asleep. Lincoln slept for at least 40 minutes. I love this entrance right here. It just looks cool. All right, Lincoln, how was the day?
I'm tired.
But was it cool?
Yeah, it was. Nike's my favorite.
Hashtag not sponsored to say that.
Not sponsored.
It just is.
My dad, he gave me first class, so woo!
And I get to sit in the middle seat in the back. Woo!
One.